Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will talk about how to take care of Aparajita plant or blue pea plant in winter season and also answer a few questions. Okay, now let's start the video with some questions and answers. So the first question is, does Aparajita plant bloom in winter? The answer is, the flowering season starts in late summer and lasts till the arrival of winter. So, Aparajita flower blooming time starts from July and lasts till November. The winter, the plant goes dormancy. The next question is, when should we prune our Aparajita plant? You can prune them in summers. After flowering, you can trim the plant as well. The next question is, can we fertilize our Aparajita plants in winter? The answer is, fertilize them once a month in the growing season, but don't fertilize it during the winters. The next question is, where should we keep our Aparajita plant at home? According to Vastu Shastra, planting Aparajita plant in northeast or northeast direction is considered very auspicious. This direction is considered to be the initiation of God, due to which happiness and prosperity reside in the house. Okay, let's answer some more questions later. Right now you can see how my mom is taking care of the plant. Before the plant is going into dormancy period, my mom is trimming the plant and also removing all the unnecessary seed pods from the plant. As your needs, you can also save some of the seed pods in your plant. Okay, now let's answer another question. This is a question that most of you have. The question is, why is my Aparajita not flowering? Excessive nitrogen can also prevent pea plants from flowering. Choose a fertilizer with less nitrogen, since too much causes growth of leaves and stems at the expense of flowers and pea pods. You can also give potassium-rich fertilizers such as banana peel fertilizer. This is the most important tip for the winter care of your plant. It is the mulching. You can just cover the topsoil with some dry leaves or paper. Now let's answer another question. Is Aparajita plant perennial or seasonal? Yes, you're right. It is a perennial plant and it has been flowering for the past 4 years in our garden. I hope you can also grow some Aparajita plant in your garden now and get flowers year after year in your garden. We have also uploaded a lot of videos about Aparajita plant. If you're interested, then you can watch those videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay